Officer Marcelo Magana, one of the cops that SLO PD has employed, and a huge liability to the department. In the years that I've documented SLO PD, Magana was on scene for most of them. He has a real authoritarian personality. De-escalation is not a skill that this guy possesses. He's quick to go hands-on in most cases, as we've seen in a few videos. He shows zero empathy and will actively try to find reasons to arrest you if he doesn't like you. He's the type of dude that will stop, handcuff, search, and cite 2 homeless people for riding bikes on the wrong side of the road.
These people are over-exaggerating.
Right now I'm getting violated with all my rights right now.
Over riding on the opposite side, and they could have just told us to move on the other side.
My theory is that this incident made him so butthurt that I was etched into the top of his shit list forever.
Can I please have your ID?
Nope.
Can you give me your name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel what?
I'm not gonna.
505.
All right, go. Gabriel, can you spell your first name?
Nope.
No?
No.
What's your last name, Gabriel?
I'm gonna stop right here because this knows exactly who I am and has all my info memorized, as his report from an incident months prior states. He states my full name, the fact that I'm scanning, and my YouTube channel in his report. So this is him just wanting me to comply with his demands.
What's your last name, Gabriel?
Nope.
Nope, what?
Fast forward to this incident where he has an opportunity to intimidate, harass, and inconvenience me, and he takes it.
All right, Gabriel, when my partner gets here, I'm going to search you because you have probation search, so.
Fast forward even further, and he does it again, but this time restraining me in handcuffs.
All right, Gabriel, I'm going to do a probation search. Put your camera down right here.
Look at this guy, retaliating. It's clear to see why he did this. Here, he got mad because I wasn't answering his questions.
Did you have to check in yet, Gabriel?
What?
Did you get remanded yet? No, yet.
What are you talking about?
For your Ventura thing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
For your pepper spray, the one that you got from the gym.
Can you explain?
I don't know, the thing you put on your video.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about, man. What video?
You're on probation, right? Oh.
What are you talking about?
Probation.
What are you talking about?
Are you on probation?
What are you talking about?
47, yeah.
What's he talking about?
I'll be Gabriel Rosa, Wells Fargo. Can you start in a second?
Is that allowed?
And here, he got mad again because I called him a scumbag.
Gabriel?
Scumbag?
All right, Gabriel, I'm going to do a probation search. Put your camera down right here.
But in his reports, he lists suspicious person as the reason for engaging. What exactly was he suspicious about? So I wrote a complaint, and they certified it received on November 29th, 2022. Now, almost 2 years later, what did SLO PD have to say about my complaint? Nothing. They never responded, which is weird because they told me this. These complaints are going somewhere.
We're required by law to look into them.
Okay.
So if, you'll be getting notified from whatever the investigations are done. We have timelines we have to follow. We have a year. So, obviously you're not the only one that has complaints.
Right. So even though I went to the police department numerous times and asked about the complaint and called in numerous times about it and emailed the chief of police about it, they chose to not respond. It shows exactly how serious they take complaints, even ones with retaliation and abuse of power allegations. To this day, I have not received anything explaining their actions or lack of. So if you're curious why they chose to ignore my complaint, I would suggest calling and asking either Chad PFARR or Rick Scott why they didn't respond. I'll leave the phone number in the description, and I'll keep everyone updated on the situation. Thanks for watching, and more to come.
Yeah, bro, just stay back. You don't need to walk straight up to me.
You gonna search me again or what?
You want me to search you?
Do you want to? Is that you want to put hands on me or what? You want to put hands on me or what?
Walk right up to me.
Oh, I'm so scared.